architectural styles, including Gothic and Romanesque elements, reflecting the various periods of its construction and renovation. Dundalk Cathedral is located in Dundalk, County Louth, Ireland. It stands as one of the town's most historic landmarks. The cathedral's history dates back to the 12th century when it was founded by Bertram de Verdun, a Norman nobleman. The cathedral features a mix of architectural styles, including Gothic and Romanesque elements, reflecting the various periods of its construction and renovation. One of the notable features of Dundalk Cathedral is its bell tower, which stands tall and can be seen from a distance. The tower houses several bells that have been part of the cathedral